It's Wednesday morning, but boot sale's been cancelled again, even though it's dry. The field is boggy, so no boot sales yet again, but we're off to Billericay. Got the wife with me, she's just here. We're going to go around the charity shops. Haven't been around Billericay since I've done the charity shop championship, so it's been a while. Hopefully get some good high-end clothing, high-end shoes, and some other cool stuff hopefully. So same again, GoPro attached to my backpack. Come with me, and then at the end I'll show you what I've got. Simple as that. Let's get going.
Thank you. Sloths, if you see that anywhere, it's got all the bits. Let me know. I'm looking for that. I can get it now, but I'm looking for it if I see it. Yeah, I go around and I have to buy ticket boats for the rides instead of houses. But other than that, it's very similar. The blue one, I couldn't. I thought, no, I didn't think. It's all the concept.
Very nice night. That is that's right. Someone's got to pay with cash and has got change. I've got pennies. I've got to deal with it. Why do you think that makes when we take about that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Breast aware to get to know what's normal for your boobs and learn how to check them regularly so you can spot any unusual changes early.
Check your boobs.
See a GP if you notice a change. Get to know your boobs, people. As this little thing will keep it young, and future of breast cancer in the UK. Find out more as we talk. When you're looking for car insurance, it's easy to get lost in the price comparison screens. Best deal out there. Come back now and come direct.
Yeah, it's just like darkened windows. Right. Yeah. I don't know. I think so, like a jumbo sale.
You used to have a little label on them. Oh, no, somewhere. Oh, there. Yeah, 150. Thanks, Cheryl.
That's fine.
Sorry, can you just wait till somebody comes out? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, charity shops, definitely hit and miss. I was expecting good things with Billericay when I was doing a charity shop championship. I think it came sort of mid to higher end of the table. But yeah, not a lot of things. I think I've got 3 or 4 things here. So it's not going to take long to go through, and it's nothing too exciting really. Yeah, but that's the thing with charity shops. That's why I do not rely on charity shops. Like, being full-time, I've got to pay the bills and everything. I've got things to cover. And if I'm relying on charity shops, it's not going to happen. Too hit and miss. It's just not worth the risk really, going too far out. You could literally come back with nothing. It was looking like I wasn't going to get anything. Luckily I did, so I've covered a bit of petrol. Spent time with the wife as well, of course. So that was all good. So yeah, quickly show you what I got, what I paid, what I'm hoping to list it for. First thing I found, this was like the 3rd or 4th charity shop in. Got a coat, got a couple of coats. This one is Toggy, I think that's how you say it, Toggy Heritage. I've picked it up before. It sold well, so I recognise the name. It feels quality as well. You can tell it's not just like a cheap made thing. Yeah, really nice. I think it's a women's coat actually. Size, what size? Medium women's. Like a navy jacket, perfect weather for it. We're in autumn now. Had to pay 10 for it. Looked up briefly, and like I said, I've sold it before. Should be 35, 40 pounds, maybe lower end of 30. So from 10, not amazing, but it's like going to be easy to pack, so that's fine. And we're in the perfect season for it, so should sell quick. Yeah, there we go, pay your bill. And then in the same shop, in the kids section, and I had a little brief look, there's a couple of football shirts. There's like a Arsenal one with Sanchez on the back, so I didn't pick that up because it's a kid size. I don't bother with kid sizes, they linger around, they're not worth much. But then there's this one. It's actually a small men's, I believe. It was in the kids section, which was handy. It's a small men's, not the best size in adult size, but still it's adult size, so it'll still sell stronger than a kid size. It's a Chelsea Football Club, Adidas, made by Adidas. My dad's Chelsea, so I have to confer with him maybe what year this is, or just look up on Google. Paid 5. Hopefully, going off the top of my head, like £20 maybe, 20, 22, maybe 18. So again, not amazing, but lightly packaged, easy stuff. Yeah, there we go, there's another one. No frills, especially with that team. Yeah, last pickup, only 3 pickups. This is the best one though. Another coat, another bigger coat, so better for winter, like the colder weather. I've paid 10 again, size medium, men's, Montgomery, England. The tag looked quality, and also saw it on here, made in England as well. So as soon as I'm seeing that, looked it up because never heard of the brand before, and paying £10, yeah, I wanted to just double check that it was a good one, and it was. People getting good money for this. It's like a duffel coat, 75% wool and 25% polyester, so wool blend. Yeah, nice. A reefer coat actually, not a duffel coat. Don't know what a reefer coat is, but yeah, nice thing, nice brand. Should hopefully be £50 there, so not bad. Hello.
You're not finished?
Nearly finished. Amy's back with the lunch now, so I'm going to head off. We're going to have some food, and I've got to do some listing. 1,300 pictures to get up there. Been putting it off, so that's my task for this afternoon. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not already for future videos and lives. Hit the bell so you know as soon as... You can't laugh when I'm filming. Look, you can see here, I'm pointing down the corner, and I can add this little thing.
Yeah, what's with the...
Down here. I'm professional. See you in the next video. Goodbye.